Hey guys, today we're back with another video. Yeah. So today
we're gonna be doing kiddos land.
Kiddos land.
It's kiddos.
Let me show them.
Sorry.
These type of slimes.
Sorry.
I tried it. It's the purple one, and it's kind of rippy.
So
Let's get into it.
Wait,
careful.
Wait, girl, can you help me? Just go
Where's your little board? Where's this? Oh, it's under.
Oh my god, why is that so cool?
Look at all these little things.
It's to add it in your slime. So
I'm gonna start. I test this one.
I'm testing this one.
It's very cookable. Let me see if I can.
Okay, good. I thought I didn't. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. Like, did we just tape this or something? Can you help me? Yeah, I need help.
You guys might see it, might not see it.
It's not
very
rippy.
rippy.
I need help. This one is not.
You gotta open it. And this is like the jar for it to go into.
If you want it to. This is empty.
But right now, I don't want it to be here. So I'm gonna take it out.
I need help. Can you
And
help
put it
me
in
open
this.
this?
So I'm gonna move on to the next. I'm actually gonna start decorating
Can I
my
see this?
slime.
That's the never mind. I was gonna say that's dark color. So this is my slime. I still.
Let's start decorating my slime.
Oh, that feels so good. But it's very
This way
breaky. Like,
because-
look at this.
Sorry, guys. She said maybe.
Oh, that feels really squishy. That feels like Jello. I don't like it. I'm not decorating it. This one yet. I'm just going
No,
to
let's
get it
start
on.
decorating. Let's decorate one. Let's see how it goes.
I'm decorating this clear one.
Oh yeah, let's do clear one first.
Clear
Where's
one.
my clear one?
I'm
Yeah.
putting this video too. Yeah, we might need to close your legs so you should.
No, let's back up.
Wait, for real, what if it was in there? I'll be so mad. What if it was in there? I'm like, what? I'll be like, what the heck? It's actually this here. Wait, I don't know. Oh, it's from here. Actually, it's here.
Join. She's joining the video and look, guess this.
I can't. So, guys.
Wait, she needs to look. Okay, we get this. We're starting with the clear slime.
Yeah, right there. That's mine.
Yeah.
No, we're starting with the clear slime.
I want this one.
Okay, you can use that one. So, I'm going to start opening.
But where's the clear slime?
I want the clear slime. Like, clear. Wait, I think that's it. Nope, not it.
No, this is yours.
Wait, this is it. Nope. No, maybe I don't have it. Wait,
Okay.
so, I want to decorate it with. They had to decorate these things.
Yeah, just get all your decorations.
Okay,
Okay.
I'm stopping. Okay, I opened
Okay,
it. I'm
everybody
putting
put-
this in.
Everybody put your slime up here. So we can see it.
This one is. Oh, sorry.
I need to go right here.
My slime is very.
Put the gift.
Can you help opening it?
I'm gonna start with the. Let's start with clear. I think I'm gonna go with red, since it's Christmas. Go for some red. This red is so tiny.
I'll say red and green because actually Grinch
Yeah,
color too.
yeah. At the same time.
Red, Oh my gosh,
You
that's so
got
tiny,
it.
guys.
Look at this. So tiny.
Can I open this? Did you open yours? Yeah. Okay, good. Okay, yeah.
I mean, no. I thought you said I'm like this.
I almost wasted somewhere else. Okay.
Go like this. Back.
I already got mine. You want to color yours like that? Did you act like that? It's kind of hard to open because you have to straighten it out.
And make sure you don't lost the lid for you.
Oh my god. Girl, you're decorating. Ooh, I like this. This kind of, I wish there's something.
You gotta be stop decorating. What is this?
That's cool.
So I'm gonna start with little more sprinkles because there's no way that you add too much sprinkles.
So, oh my god, look. This could be an MRS. I love this. Like, look at that. Look at, but it's not really stretchy. So don't.
I wanna add this. Is it powder? This
No, it's like slime.
is clay.
Clay. So to make it butter slime. Oh my god, like
I wanna add
this.
different tea. One more box. Wait, would you like this?
Your sauce is better than mine. I can't believe that. Yeah, sure.
Put this back. And these waste your and these two.
Where's
And I'm gonna do some white.
mine? Is like
Don't
decorated.
waste mine. Where's my lid?
I think everybody has to get a. I think
You're sitting on someone's meal. Let me take you. Let me see. How do you open this?
well, I still get it, please, because I got something. You just twirl it around.
Oh, it's my tea.
Everyone has to get up so we can find it.
The
It's open
lid.
and stuff.
Extra lid.
Yeah, extra lid. But that's okay.
You open it?
Look,
Just slide it.
see, there's in there. You found it?
No.
I wish it was just under my thing.
It was under your thing.
There, I'm gonna close it. So
This is how mine looks.
I'm gonna
Glitter,
add more.
light glitter.
I'm gonna add more so my color can change a little. I'm gonna add a little too much.
I'm gonna add some little more. Let's add green. Green of this, red of that too. Okay.
This is too tiny. I can't even believe this. I shouldn't change my mind on this type. I'm gonna add a dark green to see what's gonna happen.
Ooh, this is the one that just spoke.
What? That's it. I added a lot of the butterfly.
So much glitter.
Glitter. Glitter. Oh my god, like we glitter. I just joking, guys. Don't be glitter.
Okay, I can't do this
Oh
anymore.
my God.
What happened to this?
This is so surprising that I never seen this type of slime that's really tiny.
I haven't seen this type of lid.
I never touched that one. No. This slime is
I
very.
need help. Or with my glitter.
And, wait, you already opened it.
No, I'm trying to close it.
I know.
Did you do this one before?
Yep. Twist it. Okay, I don't know how to close this. Oh my god, did you break your thing?
Why you put it on the ground for?
Because I want to get a Pokemon.
Go back to your
Like, guys, look at this. It's not even sticky, but it's okay.
Oh, I think I broke it.
Yeah,
Yeah, I think I broke it. Not
Help me
my
up.
green.
I got, is that yours?
What?
Is that yours?
This one? No, green. Bye, because I broke green. I broke green.
Okay, now.
And I just now broke red. I think I did actually break it.
I think you just put the top on, flick it back. Actually, I'm going to do some little coloring. So I'm going to add dusty stuff. Dusty with it. So yeah. Don't judge me. So like that. Oh my god. You threw something. Who threw that at me?
I didn't do it.
I think I see how yours broke.
It didn't broke. It
See,
didn't
I
break.
see a
This is
crack.
actually what happened.
You found it? Oh my god.
Oh, I fixed it. So that I was playing dumb the whole time. I fixed it. Anyway. Oh, whatever. The green one's fixed. So now I think now I'm gonna start mixing in my thing.
I was gonna say mixing.
I can't even like mix it. Like look.
Some of our toys been broken. Like right now, my toys is broken.
No, it's not broken. Just me and you do this. Like, I keep breaking my slime.
You're breaking out for fun. I'm just putting it in there because that red. I don't even. I'm not even using it.
I just collect all the glitter off of the floor.
I'm just gonna waste this into my slime.
Okay, I think that's enough decorating for
Wait.
slime number A.
What?
Yeah, it's slime number 1. So I'm gonna start decorating for slime number 2, and it's gonna be blue.
So there.
Let's have a third of these because I have 2.
Oh my god! Like look at my slime.
Yeah, I'm looking at her. How many do you have of these?
Girl, you coming for your 50 slime?
How many do you have of these?
Me?
Yes, you. Yeah, 4.
Okay, now now it's time.
See how much I have.
Round number 2. So let's see.
my slime. Do you have 3 of these?
I'm gonna have.
Because this all only needs 3. You guys, everybody has 3. How many get?
It's so clear.
3? I guess this fella has 4.
She's
You're the
lucky.
lucky one.
Okay, now let's try.
I have
It's
one of these.
stretchy.
It's round number 2.
Yours is stretchy.
It's round number 2.
Let me try. Wait.
Guys,
Wait.
round number 2. You wanna listen to me?
Okay.
Now you can choose any color you want.
Yeah, this one is just too colorful new stuff. Now you can choose any super color you want.
Where's my?
Oh my god, this is so good, guys.
Where's my number 1?
I feel like adding clay, but at the same time, no, because the clay is gonna ruin it. So I'm gonna add something really sugary.
Where's my what?
Oh my god.
Okay, where's my number 1 slime?
Wait, I thought you already knew you were getting a phone.
Mhm.
Cause you been acting whole day. Sorry.
Where's my slime number 1?
I don't know. You put it in your thing, duh.
I did, and then look, it's not there anymore. Number 1.
I'm gonna add too much sugar.
That's a brown color. This is dust. I have dust.
Dust? Does anybody else have dust?
I think I do. I think I do. Oh, I think I have another white, I guess. But I want to use a different color.
Mine keep on falling off.
It seems like this is not my bottle. Do somebody has an
I need a
extra purple?
jar.
Who has an extra purple that was already open?
What the freak is in this?
But what you need?
Which one is missing?
My purple that was already open. Oh, never mind, found it.
I'm gonna make this into butter slime.
Yeah, me too.
I'm gonna make this into
Butter.
Smoothie slime.
Let's do butter slime, guys.
I'm doing smoothie slime. I ain't doing anything.
Augusty cough. I doubt I copy you.
This is like stretchy. So it's better than the slime.
So what should I do for purple slime? If I
you
do a
just
little
do
green, black. And
Black
now,
is gonna turn it black.
how does that make sense?
I'm adding
So
so
let me
much.
do this one.
I don't know how much I'm adding, but I'm just adding what I want. You stepping on? Okay, like, guys, look.
Look at the hair. Doesn't it look like? Look at the hair.
Look at the camera, like, how am I
Yeah.
smoothing it? Like, that looks like smoothie. Nope.
I saw that too. It spilled on you. The glitter spilled on the glue.
Like, look at my slime now.
I guess the cellophane will be glittery.
Ooh. Get stuff. No. Why you like? That's fine.
No, she got mad at me. Ah! We try to hide ourselves.
It's all, this is good, and you still haven't opened it. What's the goal of this one? This. Like using. It feels so good. Now it's starting to be so stretchy.
Mine is a weird color, but I like it.
But you have to use this as your own. Where's my jar?
I don't know. What jar? See? My jar. I don't know.
The jar?
Oh, right here. The lid. Oh, and this is my salmon. And this is my another jar.
Wow. It changed.
I have two clear ones, guys.
Okay, I got the butter. Because I just want to. Oh, why is this butter?
Owen
so
also
stretchy?
got us paint.
I got pink.
I got pink too. Oh, that?
Oh, it's bath drops. It's like bath drops.
What's that? Bath drops. How come this is like slime, but then
It is like slime.
Ooh.
But this isn't even stretchy.
Oh my
Look
God.
at the color, it's so nice. It's like galaxy slime. It's galaxy slime.
Look, don't open it way too much. This is what happens.
I made galaxy slime, guys.
If you open it small, then it won't
But it'll dry up.
no it won't.
Where's my container?
Look, this one is not even stretchy even though I added that.
Oh my gosh! I think you need this big container.
Yeah, me too. I need it. Why did I add butter?
This is your own container.
Oh, you found that butter?
Wait. I might not need it.
I actually need it. So then if I need to make slime, I'll make it in here.
Wait! I need to put these on.
I can't even fit this in there.
The toys is in
I just squished it out.
Let me do that. Oh, I thought it was like the other slime.
Oh, mine's farted.
Remember, pour yourself.
That mine's all jarred up. Now it's time to.
These are some.
Now
these
it's time to
stirring
make
tools.
another slime.
I think this one's good.
I'm gonna put this
No,
on.
let's try our raw slime glue.
Nope.
Why?
Not yet. I just want to do some more because this is so lovely. I can't. Oh my god, my Ashley told you shit.
I knew.
I didn't know in that video. This is too good.
That's why I put my feet.
Ooh,
I'm using foam balls.
Foam balls are good,
Like that. The
one that it's from the beats.
Zion is so bad.
Yeah, it's like all over the place.
Trans.
We can make slime.
mixing this.
We can make slime in this container because you know
We could
the
throw
other one
in
didn't fit in here.
slime that we don't like and put
Can I
it.
do it?
This is like a clear green.
Oh, we love it if we got all these and then we can make slime and then we can have like a slimatory.
But we already have a slime collection. All of us. We have our own slime collection.
So I'm just gonna use this Oh, she was wasting her lashes. She said, "Wait, some of the slime
Okay,
looks
still
dry.
like this.
Look, some of the slime feels dry.
Okay, it
can
looks
still clean it up.
bouncy. It looks bouncy.
You know what?
Oh, it dropped because it looks so bouncy.
This is the best way to clean stuff from on the ground. Just take your slime.
I'm the only one using this or something.
No, I was using it and I don't want to use it.
Oh my gosh.
I don't want to try the different directions. Oh my gosh, look at the knife. I just slice you with it. This is fake. Please, nobody can use it.
It's so nice. I think this is a clear. It's not a green.
Yeah.
Estella,
Huh?
what about tablet?
It's actually. It's on my.
Who tell you must take it?
I didn't take it.
They will break it yet.
I did because it was charging.
That's why I ask you who tell you to touch it.
So I added to
I
my.
told myself I could touch it.
Whoa. Well. Ice cream.
Where's my open on it?
Oh, I
This is
love
so
this.
nice. Where's my?
I'm just gonna mix everybody's dirty thing up to with this one. Because this is too good.
So nice.
I need some focus.
So nice.
Look! Oh my god, look at this.
Look
It's
at-
so
look at
nice.
this
Oh
slime.
my god.
I want to add
Okay, now I'm finished with this slime. I just need my lid.
I'm sorry,
Where's my lid?
I'm taking all of yours. I don't know.
Here it is.
Wait, where's mine? I think you're sitting on it.
So I think we'll end this today video.
Wait,
No, we're not.
this is yours. This is yours.
This is no, that's mine. What you doing?
No, look.
Oh.
So, I think we're going to end this video and make a slime routine with this container.
No,
So,
bye
yeah.
guys.
Bye, guys.
We're
Peace
gonna
out.
do the slime gloop in the next video.
Yep. Bye. Peace.
And then the next video we're gonna do the foot spa.
Peace. And then